TVU Search allows you to quickly find and download clips from live and previously live feeds using a channel timeline, keyword, or image search. To find content using the search bar, enter a keyword, phrase, or upload an image to quickly locate all related content. Use the search filters at the top to drill down on the feed you're looking for. Once you've selected a feed, the preview will start at the exact frame that corresponds to your search criteria. To find a specific feed using the channel timeline view, use the back and forward arrows along the top of the calendar menu. After you've selected a feed, the video preview will start and the speech and facial detection results will be displayed. You can create a clip using the clipping tools under the video preview. You can also create a clip by highlighting the text from the speech detection transcript. Once you've cropped the clip as needed, click Cut to save it. To download a clip, click the box icon in the upper right corner to display the marked list, which contains the clips that you've saved. Click the download icon from the marked list to download the clip to your computer.